Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. If you want to speak English fluently, then you should learn vocabulary words. So today I will teach you about the word silly. What do you mean by silly? Silly means a foolish person. You may say silly in a different ways. Here it is my FB page and FB group. Spoken English and vocabulary and community is round about 22,000. Let me show you. So it is my FB page. You may visit. If you want to learn English fluently, then do not forget to contact me on this number. My contact number is available on FB. Same number is available on FB. So I'm offering my course to the beginners and to those students or those candidates who want to visit abroad. Improve your communication skills and inshallah you will learn and you will be fluent in English. So receive your certificate after joining this course. Silly means foolish. Here are different ways to say silly. As you may observe this picture, and it's the picture of a silly cartoon. You may see the picture. Silly means different ways to say silly. Number 1, ridiculous. Number 2, absurd. Number 3, foolish. Number 4, nonsensical. 5th, stupid. Senseless, dumb, witless. Idiotic. Moronic, brain dead. Pointless, mindless, partial, comical, hilarious, entertaining, laughable, absent-minded. And the last one is whimsical. It's not whimsical, it is whimsical. You will pronounce it whimsical. So I have told you 20 ways and I have informed you about 20 ways to say silly. And here it is a quiz. She dash a beautiful dress. She wearing a beautiful dress. She wore a beautiful dress. She wear or she weared. So students, do let me know the answer of this quiz in my comment section. I'm waiting for your replies. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Allah Hafiz.